In this video, we're diving deep into Zoho Projects, a popular project management tool designed to help teams plan, track, and collaborate efficiently. When you first log into Zoho Projects, you'll be greeted by a clean and intuitive dashboard that gives you quick access to all your ongoing projects, tasks, and team activities. The layout is user-friendly, and navigation between different features is seamless. You can easily create projects, define tasks, and assign them to team members. One standout feature of Zoho Projects is its robust task management system, which allows you to set deadlines, prioritize tasks, and even track time spent on specific activities. Whether you're working on a small project or managing a large team, Zoho Projects helps keep everything organized and on schedule. The Gantt chart tool is another highlight. It visually represents project timelines, allowing you to see how tasks are progressing and whether your team is on track. This is especially helpful for those managing multiple tasks and deadlines at once. You can easily drag and drop tasks within the Gantt chart, adjusting timelines as needed without hassle. Zoho Projects also integrates with other Zoho tools and third-party apps, making it a versatile option for those already using Zoho's suite of business solutions. From document sharing to detailed reporting, Zoho Projects provides an all-in-one platform for managing projects and improving team collaboration. Additionally, the time tracking feature is essential for teams that need to keep an eye on how much time is being spent on different aspects of a project. Whether you're billing clients or just tracking internal progress, Zoho Projects makes it easy to log and report time spent on tasks. Many useful links can be found in the description after watching this video, so be sure to check it out. These resources can help you further enhance your productivity and streamline your team's workflow. Overall, Zoho Projects is a highly effective tool for teams of all sizes. It's feature-rich, customizable, and easy to use. If you're looking for a project management solution that combines task management, team collaboration, and project tracking, Zoho Projects is worth considering. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more honest reviews and tech insights. Your support helps me keep creating useful content.